On the red days like this, we all need to just zoom out and take the big picture perspective. Therefore, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you top 5 coins that are price-wise looking pretty good. And I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't panic. Roar! Thank you for clicking and sticking around. You can get better big picture perspective than monthly chart, and as you can see, our first pick, Cardano, is a chart versus USD on a monthly scale. So every candle has a big significance. It's 1 month of price action. Now, why I picked those 5 coins that you're gonna see right now is this. Market structure is still intact. For example, Cardano ADA surpassed that 2017 bull high of 73 cents with fierce momentum. But not only that, we even surpassed that level of $1.76, which is for me a very important level. Today we are standing at $1.80, and yes, for the last couple of months Cardano didn't do anything, but that doesn't mean that that will be the case in the future. Contrary, in my opinion, Cardano is about to move. It just retested those levels of $1.76, the bodies of the candles on the monthly scale, which are very important, and now could be preparing itself to go to the upside. And confirmation of all of this is coming in the form of 8 exponential moving average. Pretty fast one, which is pretty good on the monthly scale. Now I believe you can see what is happening right now with today's candle. I mean, not today's, this monthly candle. We just touched 8 EMA, and this could be a bullish sign, because all of this price action was held by 8 EMA, and Cardano just retested its dynamic support. Cardano will have my thumbs up for the future. And now let's jump into the next one. My pick number 2 will be Cosmos, atomic force of the future. First condition, check out 8 exponential moving average. We are well above it and are now with this huge red candle just trying to retest that past resistance and today's support. So Atom has some more room to go to the downside. Nothing to panic about. If, for example, as you can see here, we are standing at $26, we bounce a little lower to 24. In my book, this would be perfectly acceptable. Structurally, nothing is broken. We even broke $22, which was a big wall from the beginning of 2021, and are now just trying to retest those previous highs. So everything is looking good. Some pullback might be still in the cards, but this is a long-term video, so believe in the project. I think it has a great future. Next chart is waiting for you. Our pick number 3, Hedera HBAR, is looking pretty good on the monthly scale, and this scale is more significant than the other one, except in 2 months, or 3 months, or 6 months, or 1 year. But you know where I'm getting at. After we retested this 8 exponential moving average, we moved higher. And yes, we could be in for some more pullbacks, although when I show you the structure, which could be something like this, you can see the significance of 36 cents. Not only that we started Hedera's price in 2019 with 36 cents, in 2021 it was a big wall. We broke it last month in October, to be exact, and are now doing what? Retesting it with this red candle. This could be enough for a new up leg. If it's not, maybe we will have some more sideways action until we touch this 8 exponential moving average. All in all, this looks pretty good in my opinion, which leads me to the next chart. One chart to rule them all. Harmony, ladies and gentlemen. Why I picked this one? Well, for one thing, we are above that 8 exponential moving average, and you can see that the last 2 months it was respected. Now, take into account one thing, and that is this big gap between 8 exponential moving average and today's price. This could be signaling that there is some more room for the downside targets. We are now standing at 23 cents, 8 EMA is at 16 cents. So Harmony could go lower from this point, but since this is a long-term video, you shouldn't worry about it. This is looking pretty good. And of course, all of this won't be a discussion of our video if we didn't broke this level of 17 cents. It was a rooftop, a fair resistance in April. Now with this huge candle we broke it. So this is, as I said, looking good. And if one, Harmony, decides to do something like this, don't panic. We're just retesting an important levels from the past. And now top 5. The 5th one, the small one, but a good looking one. He's a handsome boy. The boy's name is Veracity. It's much smaller than the rest of the guys, but as you can see, all the conditions applied, so I put him in the list. 8 exponential moving average is not giving us problems, it's giving us support. And yes, there is a space between the current price and this moving average. So if you go from 5 cents to 4 cents, all is good. And to make the entrance into this video, Veracity had to break this 4 cent level, which was a big resistance around the April, March and May, and is now just a big support. I don't believe that Veracity will ever go below 4 cents. It is possible, but not probable. Technicals are looking good on this one. Do your own diligence, research your own coins. My words are absolutely not paid. This is just my terms, my conditions. I shared it with you. Keep in mind, I'm definitely not a financial advisor. Just a crypto enthusiast that likes to share his thoughts with others, and a simple dinosaur. And if you want more from this dinosaur, watch this one, because in there we're also doing technical analysis, maybe price predicting, maybe something even better. Who knows? Check it out.